Welcome to the vibrant world of Bloor Street West, Toronto. Today, I will be walking eastward along this iconic stretch of Bloor Street, beginning at St. George Street and heading toward Yonge Street. From historic landmarks to high-end boutiques, Bloor Street is a lively blend of Toronto's past, present, and future. At St. George Street there is historic University of Toronto campus. As we start down Bloor, you'll notice cozy cafes, bookstores, and budget-friendly eateries sprinkled along the street, an ecosystem of spots that support the daily life of students and visitors alike. These shops set a welcoming tone that invites you to explore further. Every year, thousands of Canadian and international students attend University of Toronto and live nearby university campus.
What have you said?
Moving along, we enter the Annex neighborhood, a part of Toronto with its own distinct energy. The Annex is known for its eclectic character, with a mix of indie bookstores, vintage shops, and casual dining spots. Many of these establishments have been around for decades, giving this area a sense of authenticity and nostalgia.
I would love to, but
Varsity Stadium's modern design accommodates thousands of spectators, and the open-air structure lets the sounds of games and cheers spill out into the neighborhood, creating an energetic atmosphere on game days. The field itself, with its iconic blue and white turf, represents the university's pride and passion, while its surrounding running track and bleachers make it a popular spot for students and locals to watch a game or get active. Around Varsity Stadium, the University of Toronto neighborhood offers an appealing mix of restaurants, boutique hotels, and unique shops that make it a lively spot for dining, shopping, and staying. Whether you're here to catch a game, visit the campus, or just explore, this area has something for everyone. In the streets around Varsity Stadium, the mix of vibrant eateries, stylish hotels, and boutique shops creates an inviting environment that blends seamlessly with the academic and athletic spirit of the University of Toronto. It's a part of the city that feels both classic and contemporary, reflecting the diversity and energy that define Toronto. As we walk through the area around Varsity Stadium, we notice the new wave of modern student housing complexes that have sprung up around the University of Toronto. These sleek, purpose-built buildings provide students with all the conveniences of urban living, while adding a fresh, modern look to the historic University District. As we walk past the annex, our path brings us to one of Toronto's premier cultural landmarks, the Royal Ontario Museum, also known as the ROM. Its crystal-shaped structure is impossible to miss, and it houses one of Canada's most impressive collections of art, culture, and natural history. Just across the street, the University of Toronto's Philosopher's Walk adds a picturesque, tree-lined pathway. This area marks a shift in the street's vibe, from casual neighborhood charm to a more cosmopolitan, high-energy atmosphere. With tourists mingling with locals and museum-goers, it's a lively intersection that reflects Toronto's cultural depth. Bloor Street's international allure draws visitors from all over the world, who come to experience its dynamic mix of shopping, dining, and leisurely strolling. As one of Toronto's most iconic streets, Bloor offers an experience that combines world-class luxury with a distinctly local feel, making it a must-see destination. International travelers flock to Bloor's high-end boutiques, including flagship stores for brands like Chanel, Prada, and Holt Renfrew, all of which offer a glimpse into global fashion trends. Visitors often stroll through the glamorous storefronts, enjoying window displays that showcase the latest in fashion and design. The variety of shops appeals to all tastes and budgets, ensuring that everyone finds a piece of Toronto to take home. Stop by one of the local coffee shops, where you might see locals engrossed in books or deep conversations. The diverse restaurant offerings here reflect Toronto's multicultural essence. Whether you're in the mood for Paris baguette, Korean BBQ, Middle Eastern fare, or a classic pizza, the Annex has something for everyone. This stretch of Bloor Street truly embodies the city's welcoming and laid-back vibe. But Bloor Street isn't just about shopping and dining. It's a place where visitors love to stroll to take in the city's sights, sounds, and people. The street's wide sidewalks, public art installations, and shaded benches make it an inviting place for a casual walk. Whether they're exploring the Royal Ontario Museum, catching live music from street performers, Walking through, you'll also spot art galleries, upscale restaurants, and boutique hotels that contribute to Yorkville's chic, urban atmosphere. During the warmer months, outdoor art installations and flower-filled planters add splashes of color to this vibrant part of Bloor Street. It's a great place to people watch and soak in the city's sophisticated side. This part of Bloor Street is also home to well-known Canadian brands like Harry Rosen, an iconic name in men's fashion. With its sleek storefront, Harry Rosen attracts professionals and style enthusiasts alike, offering everything from tailored suits to luxury casual wear. Nearby, Roots, another beloved Canadian brand, showcases its classic line of comfortable, high-quality clothing and accessories that reflect a spirit of rugged elegance. As we move along Bloor Street, the air fills with the sounds of street musicians, adding a lively soundtrack to our journey. From soulful jazz to upbeat guitar tunes, musicians often set up along the street, enhancing the atmosphere and creating a sense of community that's both inviting and energetic. For those interested in fitness and wellness, this stretch offers modern gyms like Good Life Fitness, Canada's largest fitness club, where you'll find people of all ages maintaining an active lifestyle. Good Life's large windows often reveal people working out on treadmills and lifting weights, giving passers-by a glimpse of Toronto's dedication to fitness and health. Around Bloor and Bay, an area known as the Mink Mile, this stretch of Bloor Street has gained recognition as one of the most exclusive shopping districts in North America. Here, you'll find flagship stores of global brands like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and Holt Renfrew. But it's not all about luxury, there's also a mix of accessible brands like Indigo Books, Zara, and H&M, creating an inclusive shopping experience. The architecture along this stretch is striking, blending Toronto's historical roots with sleek modern towers. It's a testament to the city's rapid growth and its embrace of both the old and the new. This is where locals and tourists alike come to shop, dine, and experience the best of Toronto's urban retail.
While it's still open. Looked at 5 while it's closed.
In this section of Bloor Street, there's a mix of fashion, music, and fitness, creating a dynamic yet relaxed atmosphere. It's a spot where you can watch musicians perform, browse high-end or casual Canadian brands, and even step into a fitness club for a quick workout all within a few blocks. This harmony of culture, wellness, and style is what makes Bloor Street West an essential part of the Toronto experience. As we move deeper into Bloor Street's retail heart, we enter a world where luxury and artistry come together in striking harmony. This section is home to some of Toronto's most exclusive high-end fashion boutiques, making Bloor Street West a destination for both style aficionados and trendsetters. Here, you'll encounter flagship stores from world-renowned brands like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and Holt Renfrew. Beyond luxury apparel, Bloor Street also offers art galleries that display modern and contemporary works from both Canadian and international artists. These galleries provide an artistic respite from the retail rush, inviting you to step inside and immerse yourself in the visual arts. From thought-provoking paintings to intricate sculptures, the galleries contribute to Bloor Street's cultural depth, reflecting Toronto's reputation as a hub of creativity and innovation. Here is Bloor and Yonge Street. Here you will find a variety of cafes, stores, and quick-service restaurants catering to the diverse crowd passing through. This intersection serves as a gateway to different parts of Toronto, from downtown's corporate offices to Midtown's leafy neighborhoods. It's the perfect spot to conclude our walk, as it embodies Toronto's inclusivity, diversity, and vibrant city life. Bloor Street is not only about what's above ground. Below, you'll find a network of underground shopping malls connecting the major buildings and retail centers in the area. The Bloor Yorkville path system provides a climate-controlled walkway with additional boutiques, food courts, and specialty shops. It's an ideal way to explore more of the shopping scene, especially during Toronto's colder months. As we reach the Bloor Street and Yonge Street intersection, we step into one of Toronto's busiest and most significant transit hubs. The Bloor Street and Yonge Street subway station is where two of the city's major subway lines intersect, the Yonge Street University Line and the Bloor-Danforth Line. This station connects Toronto's east-west and north-south routes, making it a vital link in the city's transit network. Our journey ends here at Bloor and Yonge Street, a major intersection where two of Toronto's main subway lines meet. It's one of the busiest hubs in the city, symbolizing the constant movement and energy of Toronto. Surrounded by office towers, residential buildings, and shopping complexes, this area represents a crossroads of the city's business and lifestyle.